Babe, go first.
I should go.
Yeah, go first.
Hi guys,
welcome back
to another video.
Babe, you're looking beautiful.
Oh yeah, thank you guys so much. Like, I know you guys can see my glow. Like, can you see this? Like,
Jesus, I just see you're beautiful.
like,
Please, please.
Let's not talk about
Please.
that. That's not why we're
It's
here.
okay. Please stop feeling yourself.
That's
Look
not
at me
why we're
now.
here.
Thank God for sun.
You're looking fresh. You look like fresh guy.
Ta. So guys, welcome back to another video. And today we'll be doing something different, something special. Babe, what are we doing?
Something adventurous. We just like thought we'd go for like a shooting range, like a gun range.
Yeah.
Just to basically see
What it feels like to like handle a real gun.
Yeah.
And in case you need it to protect yourself. Well, you don't need it.
I need it.
No, you don't need it.
You know, against you.
How are you using something against me?
You know, if you just vex me, I just.
Not be juju be that.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah, so that's what we're doing today, basically.
Yeah.
We might need it. We just know how to.
You might need it. Like, you don't need it. There's something you might need it. Like,
you know why I might need it for?
For what?
Just in case you have plans. Hey!
Are you kind of scared about it? Or are you
I'm actually excited. I heard like when you hold the gun, you feel alive.
You feel alive.
You feel so in control, you know. Like when you actually have a gun, you're like, I can just do anything I want with this gun.
What do you mean you feel so in control? Like, you're only talking like like what kind of?
I'm a gangster. You know?
God.
Yeah, so that's what we're doing today, and we just want to take you guys along. I hope, we'd have fun and adventures, you know.
Yeah, I'm trying to be so careful with it so we don't end up shooting each
I might.
Okay, come, let us know what we are doing now before we leave this place.
Yeah. So guys, that's it. So see you.
Yeah, when we get there.
When we get there.
And stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Yeah.
Stay tuned. By the way, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You guys, please. Just start subscribing now, because before you proceed, just start subscribing, start liking, start commenting, all that good stuff we need here on YouTube. And let's get right into this video, shall we?
So guys, we're headed to the gun range, and we're in a taxi now. We're sitting at the front, my seatbelt buckled up, and this is Amara, and this is Gozi. Gozi, have you ever handled a gun before?
The only gun.
The only gun I have handled. I've actually handled a gun before, you guys. Like,
Where? Is it a toy gun?
You don't see something like it. If you say something like your man's gun.
Oh, Gozi, please.
I've said my And the fact that they are matching.
people are very.
I don't mean to be a hater, sharp, but the fact that they are matching is also busy.
Well, match, we always match, you know, like.
Yeah, always match.
But how about for who no get person to match with? Well, we move. Can't kill ourselves.
Gozi is low-key a hater, don't mind him.
He's gonna hate.
So guys, when we get there, we'll like show you the activities we get to engage in, and we'll see you guys when we get there.
I know say all the man them in the place them fresh. I know say all the gal in the place them set. I'm gonna look Uche face for yeah. Any man we get it like go run in this yeah. Wanna give it to you physically, typically, lyrically, cynically, make you know they.
Hi guys.
Yeah.
Wait, we're looking for where? Don't remember this is there. Oh, it's cold, you guys. It's really cold. You're having a break. 15 minutes break. So you have to wait. Babe, say hi. Babe, I just said say hi. Like, what are you singing? So guys, I'm actually excited to do this. Oh? You look gorgeous. Thank you, babe. Thank you.
You look sexy, you look gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
I'm so lucky to have you.
You're going to.
Huh? What do you say?
Anyways. Kissed. No? Babe, you're walking too fast. We're heading to the location now. Wait, I actually don't know where we're supposed to be going, no, but it looks like the other building.
Завтра на 13:00 вас устроит? Ну, на 14 тогда еще есть. Здесь заходите.
Why do I feel so? Like, this gives me wet vibes. Like, I know a movie. Shoot your shots, man. You gotta shoot the shots. And that's kind of like, some years back, I shot my shot on this beautiful lady here. And the shot went straight to her.
Ow! My heart's here.
Yeah.
Where's my heart?
Yeah, the left side.
Okay. So, instructions time.
Так. Оба.
Okay.
There's no point at me, my penny.
Okay.
God, these are live bullets. Jesus. Is this real? Oh my God. There's a lot here.
Какой еще? Две ж дорожки.
How many do you want? 2, yeah? I went for the small one.
Why this one?
I don't know.
Рассказываю. Хват. Видите, рукоятка плотно. Взяли. Дальше. Скоба тоже плотно пальцы. Вот. Изначально идет вдоль ствола. Поддержка снизу.
Хорошо.
Каждый выстрел взвод вот этого курка. Вот это.
Okay, trigger is okay.
Вы выбираете холостой ход и остается вам плавненько нажать. Мушка целит ваш хват. Ноги, ширина плеч. Хорошо. Взвод. Взводишь. Раз. Давай. Цель.
Go first.
I
Yeah,
go
go first.
Wow.
Вот. Попало.
Like, how come?
Плечо.
We weren't even shooting anything.
Плечо, плечо. 4. Целься вот сюда. Мушка целит.
Хорошо.
В голову не целься. Сначала учись просто стрелять.
Okay.
А ты
Really
куда?
цель.
Шо? А ты куда стрелял? Нету?
Нету.
А куда ты целился?
I didn't get anything. Oh my god.
Пошли.
Yours,
Пошли.
yours is so clean. I got 2 shots. Babe, you're a bad shooter. It looks so clean.
Берешь упор. Видишь, рука? Раз. Ноги. Или стоя. Вот. Упор в плечо плотно. Также мушка, целик, мишень.
Okay.
Плавненько. Заряжаем. Ставим на ногу. Ближе к мушке. Резко. Берем патрончик.
Okay.
Вот. Ставим сюда. Пустой стороной, видишь?
Да. Okay, the
Пустотой.
position. Okay.
Резко закрыла. Стреляем. Пробуй.
Okay. Hello. This is so difficult. This is so difficult. You want to try? Let's go. I'm ready. Okay. I did it.
Попробуешь сама?
Да.
Смотри, стой. Дальше бери. Вот здесь.
Okay.
Теперь.
Hey. Wow. It's so difficult.
Не бойся.
Oh my god.
Выровняйся. Давай.
What? Man, what are you talking from? What are you talking from? No be today. No be talking from.
Babe, this is so difficult. You are just
Okay.
Yeah, I trained them, my boys.
Сейчас выстрели.
I see it.
I trained them, my boys.
Did you get anyone?
I was saying, one, two,
3.
3.
Смести, куда ты целился, смести вот
He
сюда.
said here.
Now where the target to? I don't know how they fly on
Does
you.
your gun move up?
Yeah, Jackson.
Палец ровно посередине. Спусковой крючок. Молодец.
Молодец!
Now wow. I swear, like I don't know. I don't sabi shoot.
Чуть-чуть смести только.
Oh,
It's so, you don't know how to shoot, baby. You guys, they bomb me, burn this thing. They bomb me, burn this thing.
oh, I should be scared of you.
No, this is my. I do this. I do it for a living. You know. Wait. Only one. Yeah. Take it down, continue. Take it down.
Don't do this shit. Yo, you what you doing, my right?
You will not still get
You gotta-
anything
you
after
gotta-
all this
You gotta have
shakara.
biceps.
Babe, on your shoulder, not on your.
On your shoulder, like this gun say, yeah.
Тебе еще патроны? Нет?
Guys, so I wouldn't say it was fun though, because I didn't get any points.
Yeah, it wasn't, because it was our first time, so like, I mean.
Well, you had
I had
all your
really
points.
good
Yeah, you
shot.
had really good shot. Like, I'm really a bad shooter. Like, I suck at this.
Wait, do you love me?
Your point ain't gonna be.
Do you love me?
Why would you ask me that question? Even if I don't love you, just want to say it. Your point ain't gonna be.
Wow. Anyway, so guys, that's it for this video.
Yeah, guys.
Don't
So
forget to
please,
like,
like, subscribe,
comment, subscribe,
Yeah.
all that good stuff.
If you don't like and subscribe, you see, I'll come and shoot you. So guys, see you in the next video, and we'll be doing more videos, more outside videos. It's because of the winter period. That's why we rarely like go out to do a lot, like more outside videos. But now that I think we're getting closer to summer, the weather is kind of getting favorable. So you will see more like outdoor videos, yeah, and fun videos. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notification. I will see you.
We love you. Bye guys.